Audrey Myers. I'm the County Extension Agent for Family Consumer Sciences for the University of Kentucky Cooperative Extension Service. What's so neat about the Merchant Mile is that it's a 1 mile walking loop in downtown Greensburg, and it's already been here. Nobody knew that there was a mile in downtown. So what we did was we just mapped it out and made it easier for people to be able to walk in a safe environment around the square. They could get their exercise during lunch. They could come here after hours. They could window shop. And we are asking the merchants that are participating. We have around, say, 47 merchants downtown when you count them all up. But they're actually asked to be merchant mile friendly. And what that means is, they could offer water, or maybe they could offer a seat, or even wave, be friendly, 10% off during a time if you walk the Merchant Mile. So they can participate however they see fit.
I'm Jackie Hodges, the health educator with the Greene County Health Department. We knew, we wanted to do something in the community. The health department was more focused on increasing access to physical activity. She had more of an interest in local economy and boosting tourism and those types of things. And so we decided just to take our downtown square and map out a walking track on that square, and for a lot of different reasons. And it worked out perfectly. We try to do different initiatives to keep it fresh and to keep it in the media, and so people can see the logo and hear about it. We do what's called Super Saturdays, and it's the last Saturday of the month, and it's going on during the summer season. I think we started in April and we'll end in October. And it's kind of like a mini health fair, just set up at the different merchants along the mile. Some of them we may do health screenings, some of the booths we may do just hand out educational information. But people can come out and get their walk in, but then also have their blood pressure checked and their blood glucose and things.
My name is Julia Hartfield, and this is Mitchell & Edwards, a business in Greensburg, Kentucky that has been here for 53 years. The Merchant Mile is organized on the streets of Greensburg, and our small store, which is the only clothing store in town, either passes out information through pamphlets, or at times they have a table set up out front to take blood pressure, do health screenings. And our real issue, I guess, is to try to get people in the community to be more fit by walking the Merchant Mile, even if it's one Saturday a month, to allow them to get a little exercise, to meet people, to see what's available in our town, and just to be more social. They may not actually purchase anything at that time, but the great thing is for them to know what we have to offer. And I'm real big about meeting new people and welcoming new patrons and participants to the Merchant Mile, letting them and their children know what we have available in Greene County, because it's a beautiful small town.
My name is Lisa Pruitt. I work at Fort Bank. Fort Bank always, as part of the community, wants to do their part in helping out. We're on the schedule, I think, for 3 different months. I think May and August and September. In May, basically, we were the starting point for the walkers. They came here to pick up their bag and their card, to sign off on as they go to the different businesses. And we were just here as a stopping place, and also to give out some water, maybe some granola bars, we want to do something sort of health conscious for the runners, of course.
My name is Lyle Cheatham. I'm the mayor for the city of Greensburg. Wanted to talk a little bit about the Trail Town project that we've been currently working on here in Greensburg. This project's been going on now for a little bit over a year in conjunction with the Department of Tourism and the Department of Adventure Tourism. Several years ago, we started working with the Nature Conservancy and the Kentucky Waterways Alliance to develop the Green River into a paddle trail for a couple of reasons. Number one, economically, we wanted to try to bring people into Greene County to help with local business, restaurants, gas stations, things of that nature, but also turn it into an overnight stay. The next stage of that has been the Trail Town project, which will allow us to expand that out all the way from the edge of Taylor County down to Munfordville. The Trail Town is one that we were trying to link not only the Green River Trail, but also to our downtown walking trails, as well as biking trails will be the third stage of that. It does really accomplishes two things for our community. Obviously, number one, as I said, was economic development. The other is to help give local residents an opportunity to get out and enjoy the outdoors, increase their activity levels, which obviously have a lot of health benefits. And one of the things that we've been able to do here recently is partner with our local health department in really promoting that activity and getting people out on it. We just recently had a trailhead event and had something in the neighborhood of about 80 people that we put onto the river, and then had probably another 30 to 40 that showed up and participated on their own. So it made for a really fun Saturday, a really good event. It opened the eyes of a lot of people. We've had a lot of comments from not only local individuals, but also local businesses that experienced a pretty good little jump in their business activity for that Saturday as well.
My advice would be just, in Greensburg, we don't have a lot to work with. We're a very small town. We just wanted to work with what we had. And I think that people just need to kind of sit down and think about what they could do in their community with what they have. And so just kind of dream big and just kind of be creative on what you can come up with. There's all kinds of different things that you can do with community and economic development, pulling in your businesses, physical activity all in one. So
everybody was so supportive. They were so happy that we were trying to do something to boost our downtown area. So everybody was on board, but just that it was easy to implement and it's low maintenance. We have a Facebook page, which once again is low cost or no cost. So we try to promote it that way. And it's just a good way, to get people out and to serve both of those purposes.